Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel e-commerce project tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about creating Laravel project and layout setup for the e-commerce project. So let's start with creating new Laravel project. Make sure you have installed Composer and PHP in your computer. For Laravel 11, you must have the PHP version 8.2 or higher. I have already installed the PHP 8.2 and Composer. Let's check this. For that, open the command prompt. So simply open the run and just type here the cmd and hit enter. And now for checking the PHP version, just run the command php space -v. Okay, now hit enter and you can see here this time in my computer PHP 8.2.12 this version is installed. Okay, now let's check the Composer. So for that, just simply type here Composer and now hit enter, and you can see here the Composer version, which is 2.5.8. okay, if you have not installed PHP and Composer, for installing the Composer, simply go to the google.com and here just search XAMPP, and now let's click on this first link, and from here you can simply download the XAMPP setup and install your system. Okay, and for the Composer, again go to the google.com and search here Composer, and now just click on this download link, and from here you can download the Composer setup and install it. Okay, after the installation of PHP and Composer, now let's create the Laravel new project. Okay, so for that, just go to the any drive. I'm just going to D drive, and here I have already created a folder project. Okay, now here let's open the command prompt. So simply write here cmd and hit enter. Okay, and now for creating the Laravel new project, just run the Composer command, which is Composer space create dash project space Laravel slash Laravel space, then write here the project name. Let's say project name is Laravel 11 e-commerce. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, now it's creating the project. You can see here the folder Laravel 11 e-commerce has been created here. Now it's downloading the file. Alright, now project has been created. Now switch to the project directory. So simply let's copy this project name. Okay, and in command prompt here just clear the screen first, and now write here cd and the project name, which is Laravel 11 e-commerce. Now hit enter. Now just close this extra window. Okay, and here now let's install one more package for the authentication. Here I am just going to use here the Laravel UI package for the authentication. So let's install it. For that, let's run the command Composer and require a space Laravel /UI. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, package has been installed. Now let's generate the Bootstrap as scaffolding. Okay, so for that, just write here php artisan UI a space bootstrap a space dash dash auth. Okay, now hit enter. The controller file already has been already exists. Yes, let's replace this. All right, generated. Now let's run this command npm install. Okay, now clear the screen, and one more command. Just run here the npm run build. Okay, for building the assets. So right here, just simply hit enter. Npm run build. Okay, successfully completed. Now clear the screen. Now before running the application, one more thing, let's create a database. So go to the browser and just go to the URL localhost php myadmin, and here let's create a new database. So just click on this link, new, and let's enter the database name. Let's say database name is Laravel 11 DB. Okay, now let's copy this name and just click on create link. Alright, data is created. Now go to the project. First of all, let's open this project to the Visual Studio Code. So click on open folder. Let's select the project directory. So D drive, project, and here is the project Laravel e-commerce. Okay, so just select this, select folder. Alright, now let's copy the database name, which is this one, Laravel 11 DB, and now go to the project and let's open the .env file. Okay, and inside this, by default, inside the DB connection, you can see here this is the SQL Lite database. Now let's change to MySQL. So right here MySQL, and uncomment this, and now database name, which is Laravel 11 DB, username root, and password, in my case this is blank. Okay, and also set here the DB collation. So DB underscore, I'll just write here collation, and set the value, which is UTF 8 MB4 / Unicode / CI. Okay, now save this. This DB collation setting is used to specify the default character set. Okay, for the MySQL database connection. This is the Unicode collation that support the wide range of language and characters. Alright, now save this and go to the command prompt, and first of all let's migrate the migration. So run the command php artisan migrate. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, migration done. Now let's run the application php artisan serve. Okay, now it's running on localhost 8002. So go to the browser and just go to the URL localhost 8000, and you can see here the project is running, and this is the Laravel 11 default home page. Okay, Now let's set up the layout for the e-commerce project. So before doing the setup, let's download the HTML template of the project. So for that, go to the google.com and here simply search Surfside Media GitHub. Okay, now just click on this link and then click on repositories, and you can see here the Laravel 11 e-commerce project repository. Okay, so just open this, and from here you can simply download the zip. Okay, you can see here this is the admin template and this is the website template. You can also preview the page. So for previewing the website, just click on this link, and here you can see the template of the website. Okay, and also you can see the admin template. So just click on this link, and this is the admin template. Okay, now zip is downloaded. Now let's open this. Now extract this file. So right click and extract here. Let's open the website folder, and from here inside this folder let's open this one, index.html file in code editor. Okay, so let's open with VS Code. Alright, and now from here first of all let's copy this line. Okay, so from here to here let's copy this, and inside the project just go inside the resources directory, then views, layouts, and from here let's open this one, app.blade.php file. Okay, this is the layout file of the application. And from here first of all just remove this font and this script. Okay, now just paste here, viewport, just remove this viewport. Okay, and cassette. Alright, now save this, and now go to the template file, index.html file, and from here let's copy everything inside the body tag. Okay, so just select this, let's all the body, and here just collapse this body, and before this body just paste here, and now remove this body. Okay, previous body. Now inside the body just find the main tag. Here is the header, just collapse this, navigation, and here is the header, just collapse this, and you can see here this is the main section. Okay, so collapse this main section and simply cut, and here for rendering the content of the body just add here @yield and simply pass here content. Okay, now save this file, and for CSS after this just add here for entering the extra CSS. So just write here this a stack directive @ stack and a stack name which is styles, and before the closing the body tag just add here stack and then stack name scripts. Okay, for entering the JavaScript. Now save this file. Now one more thing, inside the CSS, JavaScript URL and image URL, let's add here the asset method. Okay, the asset method which is used to generate a URL to the file which is stored in the public directory. Okay, so this is the image path. So here just add here asset, first add here a double curly bracket, then asset, and inside single quote, and after this just add here single quote and close this asset method and also close the curly bracket. Okay, now I'm just going to copy this and simply drag, alt shift and drag and paste here. Okay, and now close this, copy and paste here. Now inside the JavaScript, simply alt shift and drag, and right here double curly bracket asset. Okay, and here select this, press Ctrl plus T, left arrow, single quote, and just close this. Okay, now let's find the image. So inside this, find here the image tag. Here is the image tag. Okay, these are the three image tags. Okay, so simply select and press Ctrl plus D, all three selected. Now right here double curly bracket asset, single quote. Okay, and then close here. Okay, now save this file. Now go to the controller, so go to the app directory, then http, and then controllers, and from here let's open the home controller. Okay, from the home controller, let's just remove this, and here inside the index method just write here the index. Okay, now save this. Now let's create this view. So go to the resources directory and then views, and here inside the view directory let's create a new view file which is index.blade.php. Okay, and inside this file, first of all let's extend the layout first. So right here extends and layout name which is file name which is app. Okay, so right here app, and now add here the content section. So right here section, and name is the content. Now close this in section, and inside this section simply paste here the body content. Okay, the main content. So from the template file let's find here the main tag. So search main tag. Okay, this is the main tag. Now just collapse this and select, copy and paste inside this index.blade.php file. Okay, between this content section. So paste here. Okay, now save this file. One more thing, let's find all images and add here the asset method for generating the URL. So let's find the image tag, image, and here is the SRC. Okay, there are 37 images. So one by one just select the SRC. So select this, press Ctrl plus D. Now it's selecting all the SRC. Okay, selected. Now right arrow add a double curly bracket, asset method, parenthesis, single quote, and now just select this and press Ctrl D. Okay, now it's selecting all the .jpg. Okay, all selected. Now press the right arrow and then single quote, parenthesis, and double curly bracket. Okay, I think let's check one by one. Okay, here is the PNG image, so just right here, single quote, double curly bracket, also set here. These are the PNG image, so just select Ctrl D. Now it's done. So okay, now save this file. And one more thing, I'll go to the web.php file, routes directory. So here is the routes, and let's open this web.php file. Okay, and from here let's just remove this one. And now here, from here, just remove this home, and right here home controller, and just import this home controller like this. Okay, use app http controller / home controller, and then add here the method name, which is index, then give the name home.index. Okay, and also import this auth, so right here auth. Okay, this one. Now save this file. Now everything is done, so let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. This one. Okay, it's showing the error app view app not found. Okay, I did one mistake. Inside the index.blade.php file, inside this, just add here the folder name first. So right here, layouts, then dot, and then layout name, which is app. Okay, now save this and now refresh the page, and you can see here the page. Okay, it's not showing the images and all the things. So for that, go to the template directory, and from here let's copy the asset folder and just go to the project directory, and then public folder, and inside this public folder just paste here the asset folder. Okay, now let's check again. So refresh the page, and you can see here the home page. Okay, and here is the footer, featured products, and this is the slider. Okay, so in this way you can set up the project and layout for the e-commerce project. So that's all about project and layout setup for the e-commerce project. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.